Hello there guys, and welcome to a very odd video here on the GBTV channel. So, yes, Red Nose Day has been and gone. It has been a fantastic year this year. And I'm only saying that because I was involved with Comic Relief this year. I was actually being part of their promotional materials. So you may have seen me in a few newspapers, on a few articles. I'll have those linked below. I won't say the names of the papers in the video. Just that I will have the articles linked below should you want to check out them. But this video has come quite unexpectedly. So as you know, I have these noses here. These are the rare noses that have been released. The earliest one in my collection is 2017, then it's the 2019, then it's 2021 and 2022. But the rare noses started in 2015 with the golden noses, which were just a recolor of the original 9 noses from 2015. One of the articles I was in mentioned that I was missing that nose. So somebody got in touch with the newspaper. And actually, it was the people who actually ran the promotion, because the noses were part of a competition. Whereas if you found one of the golden noses, you would win a red nose experience. I still don't know what that red nose experience is, but I got given this box. Again, on a day where there was a photo shoot. That's why I've had to wait so long before I could post this video. So yeah, let's dig into it, see what's going on, see what this is, shall we? I mean, I think you can all tell by the way I've been talking about it. It is a bit of gold. I have one of the golden noses from 2015. This is the Golden Snout Dracula, presented in its lovely purple and gold box. Yeah, here he is. The Golden Snout Dracula. I'm trying to get a good focus on it, but all it wants to do is focus on the keyboard in the background. Come on, focus. Anyway. Yeah, Snout Dracula. It's a golden nose. I won't put him over too much. But yeah, this was only given... this was given to me by the people who ran the promotion for Comic Relief back in 2015. And I think it's fitting that it's time we do not an unboxing video, but a boxing and a welcome to the collection ceremony. So, I got onto my 3D printing designer, and I've made a special golden stand for Snout Dracula. There we go. He's now almost fully part of the collection. There's one more thing that we need to do. That is to encapsulate him in the plastic box for the rest of his life. But this is the moment where we can say that I have every rare gold nose that was produced. And I just wanted to share this video with you, share this moment with you guys. That yeah, I now have every rare nose that was produced for Comic Relief. And odds are I will be getting it for the 2023 Red Nose Day, because they're now on every year. Red Nose Day is on every year. But yeah, just a little video, just show you that I now have the 2015 golden nose. And I'm going to keep the box as well, because the box is pretty damn cool. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed, then hit that like button, get subscribed, ring the notification bell to be notified when I do upload videos. I am going to try and upload a bit more regularly this year, but I don't know when the next one will be. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.